Compared to public road testing, you can do safer testing by using closed-course testing approaches. In this approach, a dedicated facility with controlled access is used to run tests on vehicles. This approach is expensive because a dedicated facility must be leased and maintained. It's poorly scalable because there are only a very few such facilities and they can only hold so many vehicles at a time. Closed-course testing can be very good for running high-risk scenarios that should not be attempted on public roads with controlled conditions, but they are limited to only test things you have thought of. As an example, you can see Volvo running a moose avoidance test using a dummy moose. But they famously had a problem the first time they encountered kangaroos when testing in Australia, because they had not designed the distance estimation software in their vehicle to be able to deal with a large animal that has all its feet in the air at the same time.